active voice. She has done. She has caught the butterfly. So Susan here has done the action. So it is in active voice. What is active voice then? A verb is in the active voice when its subject is the doer of the action. Here, who had done the action? Who had caught the butterfly? Susan. And Susan is the subject. So a verb is in active voice when the subject is the doer of the action. So here Susan caught the butterfly. This is in active voice. Next, the butterfly was caught by Susan. Just it is reversed, right? Here, what is the subject? The butterfly. Right? Is the butterfly doing anything? No, it was caught by Susan. Something had been done to it. Here, the subject didn't do anything. It was done by Susan. So, this is in passive voice. So, what is a passive voice? A verb is in the passive voice when its subject is the receiver of the action. The butterfly is only the receiver of the action. The action was done by whom? Susan. Here the subject has not done anything. It is the receiver of the action or the sufferer of the action. So this sentence is in passive voice. Okay? See the sentence structure. Susan. Susan is the subject. And what is the verb here? Caught. Right? This is the verb. And what is the object? The butterfly. So in active voice, the sentence structure will be subject plus verb plus object. Okay? And see in passive voice, what is this? This is the subject. And here, what is this? This is helping verb. Okay? In passive voice, helping verb will be there. And next one, this is the main verb. Okay? And by, and this by is what preposition. When you change active voice to passive voice, you have to add preposition by before the object. And this is the object. So the sentence structure for passive voice is subject plus helping verb plus verb, main verb. That should be in V3 form. That is the past participle form. So verb will be in V3, verb 3 plus by, then object. So in active voice, subject, verb, object. Okay, that is the sentence structure. When it comes to passive voice, subject, helping verb, V3, then by, plus object. Okay, this is the sentence structure for active and passive voice. Then, while changing the subject, which is a pronoun, to object, sometimes the sentence begins with pronoun, right? The subject will be in pronoun. When you change to object in passive voice, then the pronouns will change. See, I will become me, okay, in object. Next, he will become him. Next, she will become her. We will become us. And they will become them. This you have to learn, children. Once again, what is a voice? That is a special form of verb. It shows whether the subject does something by itself or something being done to it. And what is an active voice? When a verb is in active voice, when its subject is the doer of the action. When the subject does something, then that is an active voice. And what is passive voice? A verb is in the passive voice when the subject is the receiver of the action. The subject doesn't do anything, it just receives the action, and the subject is done by someone being done on it. So that is active and passive voice. Children, next we will learn the usage of helping verb before the main verb. When we convert active voice into passive voice, we have to see how to use a helping verb before the main verb. It will change as per the tense. Okay? So, let us see if it is in simple present tense and in active voice and how it will change to passive voice continuous tense, then active voice helping verb is, am or are plus writing. Any kind of continuous tense we will add ing after the verb, right? So this is the form. You just go through the previous lessons and you have to learn the forms of tenses. Then only you will be able to convert active voice into passive voice. Now in present continuous tense and in active voice helping verb is, am, are and plus writing. Then when it comes to passive voice is, am, are plus being. Being should be added in passive voice for present continuous tense. Is, am, are plus being plus V3, that is written. Next, in present perfect tense, active voice have written. What is the form of present perfect tense? Have, has or have plus the past participle, right? So in active voice, if it is in have written, then in passive voice have been written. You have to add be, have been written. Next, in simple past. Simple past tense of write, word, wrote, right? So simple past in active voice, if it is wrote given, then when you change to passive voice, was or were plus written. Simple past, right? So helping verb was or were. Was for singular, were for plural, and V3, that is past participle written. Next, past continuous tense. For past continuous tense in active voice helping verb was or were plus writing. Then in passive voice was or were plus being plus written. Being should be added when it is in present continuous tense in past continuous tense. If it is present continuous tense helping verbs is, am, are plus being. If it is past continuous tense was or were plus being plus V3, that is written. Next, past perfect tense had written. That is the form for past perfect tense, right? Had plus past participle. That is past participle of write is written. So in active voice, had written means then when we change to passive voice, had been written. We have to add been. Okay, had been written. Next, for simple future tense, how we will write simple future? Will, right? Will write. And when it convert to passive voice, it will become will be written. For simple future, will write will become will be written. The helping verb will be written. Next, future perfect. In active voice, will have written. What is the future perfect tense in active voice? Will have written. And in passive voice will have been written. This be should be added in future perfect and past perfect. Okay, this be should be there. Okay, children, so you have to learn this form, then only you will be able to convert active voice into passive voice. See one example. In active voice, the man opened the door. Okay, now the man is the subject. And what is the object? Open. Right? This is the verb. Verb is open. And the door is what? This is the object. This is the sentence structure for active voice, right? Subject plus verb plus object. The man opened the door. The man had done the action. So this is in active voice. Now, when you change to or convert into passive voice, it is just reverse. The object will come as subject. So how we will write the door? It is given in simple past tense, right? So how we will use the helping verb? Simple past tense given means we have to use was or were plus V3, right? So here the man, singular, right? So we have to use the helping verb was. So the door was opened by the subject, the man. So see, the door is the subject, was is the helping verb, and open, that is in verb, that is in V3 form, and the preposition by should be used, and at the end, object. This is the form, sentence structure for passive voice. So In active voice, subject, verb, object. In passive voice, subject, helping verb plus verb 3 form, that is V3. Then the preposition by should be used before the object. Okay, children? I hope you all understood this. You have to learn this form. Then only you will be able to convert active into passive voice. Okay? Now we will move on to the TV exercises. Now children, take page number 74. A main, convert the following sentences into passive form. First question, Rohan always disturbs the class. So it is given in active voice. We have to change into passive voice. How can we change the class? It is in present tense, right? So how can we change? The class is always disturbed by Rohan. You have to write, the class is always disturbed by Rohan. Next, who killed the god? If you find who in active voice, when you change into passive voice, it will become by whom. Okay? And if it is given in in passive voice by whom, then when you change to active voice, you have to use who. Okay? So next question is, who killed the god? How can we change into passive voice? By whom was the god killed? This is in simple past tense. So we have to change into passive voice as, by whom was the god killed. Next, the man opened the door. You can change as, the door was opened by the man. Next, the gardener pulled out the weeds. How can we change? The weeds were pulled out by the gardener. It is in simple past tense. So the weeds were, so many, right? Plural form. So the weeds were pulled out by the gardener. So right, the weeds were pulled out by the gardener. Next, a postman was delivering letters. So how can we change? The letters were being delivered by a postman, right? The letters were being delivered by a postman. Because it is in past continuous tense, right? Past continuous tense. So when we change into passive voice, we have to use being, right? So the letters were being delivered by a postman. Next, he bought some red flowers. How can we change? Some red flowers were bought by him. We learned, right? He will become him in passive voice. So write, some red flowers were brought by him. Next, a dog bit the beggar. It is in simple past, so we can change into passive voice as, the beggar was bitten by a dog. That is in V3 form. Bite, bit, bitten. Okay, so the beggar was bitten by a dog. Next, Anand will take our photograph. So we can change in passive voice as, our photograph will be taken by Anand, right? Our photograph will be taken by Anand. Next, Sohan plays cricket every day. You can change in passive voice as, cricket is played by Sohan every day. Cricket is played by Sohan every day. Next, the principal inspected the classes. It is in simple past, so you can change in passive voice as, the classes were inspected by the principal, right? The classes were inspected by the principal. Next, convert the following sentences into active form. The given sentences were in passive voice, so we have to convert it into active voice. First one, this cartoon was created by Lakshman. How can we change into active form? R.K. Lakshman created this cartoon, right? R.K. Lakshman created this cartoon. Next, by whom was this glass broken? I said, right, if you find by whom, then when you change into active form, it will become who, okay? Who broke this glass? Next, he does not want any money. Any money will become no money in active form. So write, no money is wanted by him. Next, the crops have been ruined by the rain. And you can change in active voice as the rain has ruined the crops. Next, the letter will be sent by me. How can we change into active form? We learned, right? If it is in active form, me, and what is the pronoun? I we should use. Okay, I will become me. If I subject, object will become me. If it is here object me, then the subject will become I. So I will send the letter. Next, the boys will be given sweets by us. Us will change into we. Okay, so in active form we can write, we will give sweets to the boys. Next, the house has been destroyed by fire. You can write, fire has destroyed the house. Next, the princess was welcomed. So we can write as, we welcomed the princess. Next, Hamlet was written by Shakespeare. In active voice, we can write, Shakespeare wrote Hamlet. Next, the school was set up by Mr. Daniel. In active form, we can write as, Mr. Daniel set up the school. Next main, change the voice of the following. Here all given in active form, we have to change into passive. Okay. First one, the class teacher appointed him monitor. How can we change? Him will become he. Okay. So, he was appointed monitor by the class teacher. Right. He was appointed monitor by the class teacher. Next, the old man did all the work. How can we change? All the work was done by the old man. Right? All the work was done by the old man. Next, somebody stole my pen. We can change into passive voice as, my pen was stolen by somebody. Next, his sister is loved by his relatives. We can change into passive voice as, his relatives love his sister. Next, by whom was the door opened? And in passive voice, you can write, here it is in passive voice, so we have to change into active voice. Who opened the door? Next, the teacher was pleased with her work. We can change as, her work pleased the teacher. Next, are you telling the truth? It's in present tense, so we can change as, is the truth told by you? Right? Is the truth told by you? Next, do not laugh at the poor. And you can change, the poor should not be laughed at. Right? The poor should not be laughed at. Next, who taught you grammar? If it is who, we have to change to by whom. By whom was the grammar taught to you? By whom was the grammar taught to you? Next, we shall be helped by God. How can we change into active? God will help us. So, children, copy this without mistakes in your textbooks. Thank you.